Dear friends and customers, in the past 3 years, we faced an extraordinary experience. We have reduced communication and contact with each other. Nevertheless, YIZUMI has not stopped the pace of innovation and development. Now we are using a new brand image, higher aesthetic goal, and more advanced molding equipment to create new advantages and open a new era of development. In the coming April, we will hold YIZUMI Connect and participate in Chinaplas 2023. We are delighted to invite you to join us for what we have been planning. More than 40 solutions covering polymer and metal material molding will be displayed on the spot. You can also experience the advanced molding technology and YIZUMI I Factory. This will be an important milestone in creating a new pattern in the global equipment manufacturing field. We come together to celebrate YIZUMI Connect and Chinaplas 2023 with our new slogan of Think Tech Forward. From 16th to 20th April, we look forward to seeing you in Guangdong, China.